Hello there, welcome back. So last year, Carl Pei came back into the scene with a brand called Nothing, and now they are going to host a major event on March 23rd at 2 PM GMT. The anticipation is higher than ever of what's coming out from Carl Pei's camp this time around. According to the press release, the Nothing livestream will dwell into details about community investment, giving fans the opportunity to support Nothing throughout its journey. Also, they will share news about 2022 roadmap. And if latest rumors and leaks are anything to go by, the firm could very well launch its second ever product, the Nothing phone, or at the least share some details about the same. The smartphone would certainly play to Pei's strength, and a Nothing phone would be something he would know how to market to a dedicated and engaged audience. Now here is an image of the phone, but it's nothing to go by, we can hardly see the phone. But Nothing has reiterated that it is working on creating new product categories in partnership with Qualcomm Technologies and its Snapdragon platform. This could literally mean any product, since Snapdragon powers a lot of devices. However, a phone seems to be the most likely. It could be the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 if it's flagship class, or the Snapdragon 870 chipset is also possible, as it's a popular option for affordable flagship phones. We will know more about it in the future. Until that happens, we can take a look at the concept created by this designer. And if the final product turns out anything like this concept, it will be amazing. This is a refreshing design going beyond just a transparent rear panel, showing off the innards without compromising on the ergonomics and comfort. This could be a major contributing factor in the shift from glass back to translucent back. You won't lose any functionality, but now you'd be able to see the engineering behind the phone. With that said, definitely watch the live event on 23rd, and thank you for watching this video. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.